Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a coin from your CoinMarketCap watchlist using your mobile device. First of all, launch open the CoinMarketCap application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page of CoinMarketCap, go ahead and scroll through the menu at the top and make sure that you're inside the watchlist tab. Once you're inside the watchlist tab, go ahead and select a coin you'd like to remove from the list, tap on it, and then on the next page, tap on the star icon at the top right corner to remove the coin from your watchlist. Now if you go back to your watchlist, the selected coin will be removed. Repeat this step for every other coins you would like to get rid of from the watchlist, and you will then be able to see the changes right away. So that is how you can easily remove a coin that you don't need in your watchlist in CoinMarketCap. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.